Well, hello there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make this delicious creamy mushroom sauce with stuffed pasta. Now, this sauce you can actually eat with you can eat it with steak, you can eat it with chicken, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it whatever you like. It is absolutely gorgeous. All right. So to get started, let's jump right into this video. You are going to melt some butter on medium low. You're going to add your diced onions. Allow this to cook for about a minute or so. Then you go in with your garlic. When it becomes nice and fragrant, I did add some pepper. Now you can omit that. I'm using some habanero there. And I am going in with my sliced mushrooms, and I'm using baby Bella mushrooms. Allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a really good stir, just like that. Then you're going to add some parsley, and that is fresh parsley. Now you are going to season, and everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. You're gonna add your half and half and heavy cream. All right, after you bring it to a boil, my actually cheese that I use here, it was grated Gouda, which is freshly grated Gouda, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. OMG, absolutely superb. I can't wait for you guys to try this one if you have not already. Now you can, so here the sauce is basically done. You can taste and adjust. You can spread this over your steak. You can add pasta. You can add whatever you like. But for my family and I did stuffed pasta. This was super delicious. So yes, guys, that's it. It is done. So if you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Do enjoy this recipe. Bye bye.